Hello, it's Graham Cox from Moody Views again. And one of the other things I'm asked a lot is the drawing of boats, the odd curves that you can get with boats. So I thought today we'd just have a look at this and see if I can help you along with this one. I've just put in a little bit of sky using some of the colours from the Moody Views set. I'm going to use some Caran d'Ache pastel pencils now to go over the top of this, and we'll have a look at the drawing of the boat. What I like to do with the boat is to draw it from the back and try and make it point into the picture. So if we start with the back of the boat, so this is the top line of the back or the stern of the boat, and we'll just draw that in. So this is just using the soft white Caran d'Ache pastel pencil. So that shape is quite easy to do, just the back of the boat. The boat is leaning slightly to the left, so I'm going to make a little dot which is midway between the center and this corner here, so just there. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to take that line across the back of the boat, and at that point I'm going to actually carry on the same arc. Then you swing from that point up to the point we made just now, and the other side comes almost horizontal. So that gives you the shape, and then you have the sort of timber lines coming down here. That's just done in white for now. That's just going to be left as the highlight. We'll take a line underneath the boat, which is the keel, and we'll take a line down from there, and we'll bring that back, and we'll just pop a little line to show us a nice horizontal underneath. Now to fill that in, I'm going to use some other pencils here, but what we've got to bear in mind is if we make the back of the boat here, or the stern, the same colour or tone as the side of the boat there, we'll lose that shape. So we need to play around with the lights and darks a little bit to try and retain that shape. So underneath here would all be in shadow. So I'm going to use, this is the dark blue Caran d'Ache pastel pencil. I'm going to start with that and just get a nice dark underneath there. And I'm also going to make that dark colour reappear up there. So the back of the boat is starting starting dark on that right hand end, and then it's going to fade to light as it comes across. So I'm introducing a little bit of the raw sienna pastel pencil. So that's coming up against that blue there. And back to that blue. I just want to lose that little bit of light that I've got showing there. And I'm going to use a little bit of red. We've got a number of colours going in here, and now I'm going to the black. So we've got a nice dark up there, and it's all going to fade to light on the other side. Just introducing that dark underneath. Pick out a few of those timber lines, and then I'm going to introduce that raw sienna colour just around the front of the boat there, where it's going round towards the light. It's just picking up a little edge, a little highlight on the front there. Introduce a bit of white there as well, just a little highlight. A few of those timber lines, just show those. The inside of the boat would also be dark, so I'm going to do the dark blue first. leaving that white that I drew the shape with as the highlight around the top edge. It's just a little bit darker on that inside edge there. So now we can pick out a few darker timber lines here. Bit of shadow under there. And I'm going to use a colour shaper tool just to blend and merge those colours on the back of the boat. It's quite a small area, so it'd be quite difficult to blend that with a fingertip. But as you can see now, the back of my boat is gone from dark over here. We've just got a little highlight on the other edge there, and we'll reflect those colours into the water. I'm just going to pop in the horizon line. So I'm going to take a ruler and make sure it's nice and flat, and I'm going to bring it from there and there. And then just using that pencil on its side, just put a little shimmer onto the water. So the tide's almost gone out, and it's just left this boat almost high and dry. And then we'll pop in the reflection using the same colours. So I'm going to start with the black here. I'm just going to leave a little gap. I want to get plenty of colour in there because I want to smudge all that downwards in a minute. Bit of black, bit of red, bit of blue, and then all the colours and shapes that are above. But we don't have to be too precise with this because it's all going to get smudged. So to create the reflection, all I'm going to do now is put my finger across that, press in and pull straight down. And that just gives me a nice little hint of reflection. I'm going to take the white pastel pencil, just bring that through there. And I'm just going to take the colour shaper tool and just on the edge of that reflection, just move it about a bit. And that just gives a little hint of movement on the water. So very, very simple. Little boat using a few colours from the Moody Views pastel set and a few pastel pencils, and they have a nice little rowing boat, very simple little drawing of a boat, and I hope that helps you out. If there's anything else with pastels, landscapes and seascapes that you want any help with, just drop me a line through the Moody Views website, www.moodyviews.co.uk, and I'll try and help you out. Thank you very much.